Hi, this is Jed with Forex Strategy Secrets. I wanted to share with you the power of the 15-5-1 strategy, what I was able to do in my trading this morning, what I did right and what I did wrong. I'm going to be very brief here. I want to make sure that you at least get the point here, but don't want to belabor this too much and take up too much of your time. So bear with me as I work through this. I was in 4 different trades. I was in the euro dollar, the USDCAD, US yen, and pound yen. I was initially following the US CAD and the US yen, looking for trend breakouts. Each of them go opposite directions, so I was kind of using it as my tool and my guide and waiting for signals. I took a small trade on the euro dollar while watching these two pairs and had been in a trade on both of them, and you can see on this US yen it had gone sideways on me quite a bit, but I was waiting for it to break short because the pound or the US CAD was going long. What I did right was on my entries. This is a really good entry. A little bit late on the filter, but it worked with the other moving averages, or excuse me, the other indicators. And I was able to get 8 pips. What I did wrong with this one is I could have gotten 10 to 11 pips better exit had I not overmanaged trades, which means I had too many trades on at once. Okay, the US CAD gave me, with the entry that I got there, only 5.5, but I could have made a good solid 10. Okay, again, because I had too many trades on at once, I couldn't close them fast enough or wasn't paying attention to them when I got the signals to close. Okay, the signals were there. I failed to see them because I had too much going on. And the US, or the Euro US, it was a good entry as far as the 4-bar pattern, but it moved down so fast that it was technically really a late entry. I only got a pip and a half on it when I could have gotten a good solid 5 to 6. Okay, so I gave up some pips because of overmanagement. All right, the pound yen, this trade right here, did as many as 17, if I remember right, just under 17, but I could have gotten at least a good solid 15 to 13. Okay, good solid double digits, but I only got 7.6 on that one. Now I still got 20.7 pips on those 4 trades, but I gave back the potential because I didn't catch those exit signals because I had too many on at a time. Even after Kirk saw those exit signals, because he knew I was in these trades, he said, "You're getting exit signals." But by the time I got the other 3 closed, this one had moved against me from where I could have gotten out 8 pips. So I tallied up all the totals of the pips earned, which was 20.7, and tallied up the difference from where I could have gotten out, and with pips earned at 20.7, I actually gave back 16 potential because I didn't catch those exit signals in time because I was over managing, had too many going on, too many. I can't emphasize that enough. Now, had I just traded 2 pairs, because this program is designed for you to focus on 1 to 2 pairs and maximize every entry and exit on those 2 pairs and be very efficient. Had I just watched those 2 pairs, I would have made 16 pips instead of managing 4 and only making 20. See the difference? I only made 4 pips more, but I worked twice as hard because I had 2 extra pairs on that I didn't need to. Now, had I been following a volatile pair like the pound yen, which actually tends to move more than the US yen, I could have actually made 15 to 16, maybe 13 pips, somewhere in there, on just 1 trade. So had I been watching that one and one of the other ones, I could have actually made over 20 pips instead of the 20 that I got, based on the fact that I wouldn't have been overloaded with too much information and getting blinded by the fact that I was getting exit signals out the wazoo. So with that said, there's great power in the entry signals on this strategy and on the exit signals if you're willing to follow the system and do the program. I highly recommend it. It will improve your trading immensely. take the opportunity to take advantage of it. Be disciplined to follow it, learn it, and get good at it. And I hope to see you on the trading side of things. I hope to be able to work with you in the PIP Club and in the Form Scanner, and be able to make trades with you and make money together. Talk to you later, and we'll see you on the other side.